Hello, my name is Jerry Nagel. Welcome to GLN Compliance Group. I don't know how you came across us on the web. We've been around about 15, 18 years. Aviation compliance manuals, anywhere from 4 to 20 people working projects, but thanks for coming by here. I know your time's valuable, so let me just take just a quick minute to tell you what's going on. We've been at this 15 to 18 years, thousands of manuals. We do certifications, 125s, 135s, 5 121s we've done in the past, more than 3,000 RVSMs, 3,000 international ops at least, probably 4,000 MELs. That's the good news for us. The bad news is every one of them is different. You know that, and that creates some problems. And we do this all over the world, not just in registry. We're in the Middle East, Europe, South America, Mongolia, Miat Airlines, our manuals, Bermuda, Aruba Registry, whatever it is. There's a lot of commonality between these. So you're dealing with what are generally some pretty high-level manuals, and ours are very high-level manuals. If you're looking for something, fill in the blank real cheap, you keep searching on the internet. Ours are very high-level, very complex. These are not more complex than they need to be, but these are manuals that we work with you on. We send you out a worksheet, even though we've done thousands, they're all different. We send you out worksheets. Our people get back with you. We massage these out. We send you out electronically copies so that we can do some editing. Some of them you can do editing directly on. We pass along the information right so that you can do editing. We get these done the way they need to be, get them off to the FAA or Bermuda, Aruba, the Saudis, whoever it is that we're dealing with. Usually we massage these a couple of times to get them right, and they're done. And these are very good, very good. The Avalar program, that was ours. What a disaster that was. But still owed us $527,000. If you're coming out of Kabul on a CIA airplane, our manuals are in the front as our training operations, MELs, a few other things for those aircraft, South America, Central America. If you've been a bad boy and the FBI shows up with a big airplane full of agents, those are our manuals in the cockpit are there too, and the FAA certificate aircraft. So we've done these, everything from the 747s on down, MELs, on down to Hiller helicopters. But we put as much attention down there in the guy with a piston-powered airplane as we do the guy with the jets. But I will tell you right now, the guys with the jets, we have a lot easier time certifying them than the little guys. We usually draw more experienced inspectors and things. But anyway, welcome to our site. Go through and have a look. There's sometimes options and variables in some of the manuals, but you're never going to get blindsided, ever, on these, never. If you have some questions, we need to talk to you. We'd like to talk to you before the worksheets go out, and then we send manuals. Sometimes we have to swap them 2 or 3 times, depending on how complex your operation is, before you get it right. And when you're done, in the future, you can edit these yourself. You don't have to pay us to do editing or changes. We can do editing and we can do prints. We can do whatever it takes, or you can turn it all over to us. You got 3 Gulf Streams and a couple of layers and a couple of helicopters. You want us to do that work, we will. Obviously, we can't go to the FAA. I'm ex-FAA. Others on our staff are ex-FAA. Type ratings from the 777 all the way on down. So we've been around. We've been doing this for a while. We appreciate your business. Once in a while we screw things up. I hate to say that, but we do. We missed something, or we missed a call or a couple of emails. It happens. Just bear with us. If it does get a hold of us, chew on us a bit, we'll make it right. We'll move on along. And in the future, you can come back and do whatever you need. Ultimately, the issue is, not only is it compliance, it's you want to and you're going to look very, very, very good to whoever owns the company or oversees it, because these are very good. These are the ones that the government flies on, and the military, and the CIA, and the FBI, and the Avalar program, and the parts of the NetJets programs, and all of the manuals we did down at FlexJet. So we've been around. We do a real good job. We know what's going on. And it's our job to make sure you look good and not feel like you kind of got taken advantage of out there. Okay, however you found us, thanks for being here. There's other videos on a lot of products kind of telling you much shorter. Hey, this is how you make a change. This is how you do some editing. This is what you need to do if you need to get an update. This is what you can expect when you walk into the FAA office. All of these things are there. Plus our people are here to talk to you anytime, even if you don't buy anything from us. All right? Thanks. Have a good day. And boys and girls, we're in for a couple of hard years here. So don't want to be doing something and changing it later and coming back around.